Words like mighty are exciting because they pack so much power into just one word. Imagine a giant wave crashing on the shore or a superhero lifting a huge weight. That's the feeling mighty gives us. So, what does a mighty really mean? Mighty, pronounced /my. Ti/ is an adjective. It describes something or someone very strong, powerful, or impressive. You can think of it like saying big or strong, but with an extra boost. When you say someone is mighty, you mean they have great strength or influence. Here's a simple example: the mighty lion ruled the jungle. This means the lion is powerful and commands respect. Now, let's talk synonyms, words that mean almost the same thing as mighty. Some good synonyms are a strong, powerful, forceful, bold, and a formidable. Each carries a little twist. Strong is often physical strength, like she's a strong runner. Powerful means having the ability to influence or control, like a powerful leader. Forceful shows strength in action, like a forceful speech. Bold means fearless or brave, often in behavior. Formidable means impressive and sometimes a bit intimidating, like a formidable opponent. Opposite to a mighty are antonyms, words that mean the reverse, such as weak, powerless, and feeble. For example, the weak bridge collapsed in the storm shows something lacking strength. Here are some sentences that bring mighty to life. The mighty river flows through the valley. She gave a mighty shout to scare away the birds. The mountain stood mighty against the sky. Using mighty in your English will make your speech sound vivid and strong. Next time you want to describe something with great power or importance, try a mighty. Keep learning and growing your vocabulary with Thesaurus Thrive.